Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to be taking a look at the generator function. So generator function in Python. So I'm just naming this function generator. Um, Basically this kind of function, you would make a statement and you just return a yield. Instead of using the keyword return, you use yield. So if I say hello here, and then I use the term yield 1, then I write print, um, and I say what, I just say generator function, right, allows us, generator function allow us to access elements in a sequential order, right? Say this is yield 2. um then I say print. What else can we say? um it generator function also generator function, right, allows us to iterate through a sequence, right, and I give this as yield 3. Now I can assign this function to an object, right? In this case, like a variable in Python. So you can just say that, let's say G is equal to generator, right? And now there's a function in Python 3 which is called next. You use this to iterate through generator function. So next, you pass in the object which is G, or the argument here, and you got hello. If you do it again, you get the next print statement, or the next set of statements linked to the second sequence, or the yield 2. So if I put next G here, right, see, generator function, you got a second printout. Now if I go next again, next G again, you get a third statement. So if I go a fourth time, right, next G, you get an error. However, if I say H is equal to generator, I'm invoking the function again, right? But I'm using H as an object now. So if I pass next, if I call the next function using H, passing in H, the object, I get hello. Do it again, I get the sequence continues. So and I can run it one more time, maybe here, and the last time here we should have an error, right? But basically I can reinvoke this function again by passing in, let's say J is equal to generator, and in reinvoke it again by calling next, passing in J. So this is just exploring Python feature dealing with generator functions. This should be the first part of this tutorial. I will try to follow up on this. So you guys can subscribe to my channel, Spectrum 1844. These are my practice exercises. I'm pretty much exploring Python right now. So if you want to join in terms of learning Python with me on this journey, or you know revise something, then please subscribe to my channel. This is all for now. You guys have a great evening. All right.